कुछ साल पहले मैं इंग्लैंड गई थी अपना कॉर्डो ब्लर सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स करने के लिए. I used to cook all day in college, so when I would get back home, I would just be completely dead and would have no intention of cooking any food. मगर भूख को बहला नहीं सकते. You have to cook and eat. So I learned from my cute old landlady this great one-pot dish, the roasted vegetable winter crumble. Let's make this lovely winter crumble my way. So we're going to start by first taking a nice non-stick pan, add to it a good drizzle of oil. While it's heating, I'm going to get the crumble ready. Now for our crumble, we've got some savoury biscuits. Put it into a Ziploc and panko. Panko instead of breadcrumbs because it gives you a better crust. And all you have to do is with a balan, crush it all together. So you don't want big pieces of the biscuit to be in your crumble. So just see that they all are nicely crushed. This is done. What I'm going to do is now take some butter because butter always makes everything better. And I'm just going to add it to my oil on a very low flame. Immediately after I put my butter into the pan, I'm going to add the onions. While this is getting sauteed, here is my garlic. The reason I always kind of crush it is because it releases its juices and there's a lovely aroma that it infuses the oil with. So I'm just going to chop this now, very basic. Meanwhile, my onion has turned really beautifully translucent. My garlic is ready. And now, a little chili flakes. Oh, I love the color of the oil at the moment. It's all just changed. Now into this, we're going to add our already blanched vegetables one by one. We start with carrots. Now to this, I'm going to add a little seasoning so that all the vegetables get the seasoning right at the beginning. This is a lovely vegetable taste maker that is available in any store. A little pepper, just for now. Add my mushrooms and corn. We've just added some yellow squash or courgette and broccoli, which is really high in protein. And now, tomatoes. Now we're going to be adding some parmesan, a good deal of parmesan. And I'm going to put a tablespoon or two of some cream just to bring this together. Now we're going to add some fresh oregano, just the leaves. It smells so nice. And now a little basil. Oh, this is so good. All right, a small stir. And this is done. I think there's a little bit of cinnamon that I feel we can add. And now we're going to leave this to cool while we get our little ramekins ready. So now that our vegetables are left to cool, I'm going to heat the oven to 180 degrees and then I'm going to prepare the ramekins. So the first thing we're going to do is smear the ramekins with butter. So this is ready. Now we take our crushed savoury crackers, empty it into this bowl. And we add butter to it. This is ready. So I'm just going to put 2 tablespoons in every ramekin. And now we are going to press it down so that we get a nice crust. All right, our ramekins are now ready. And now we have to fill these babies. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the crumble on top. So these babies are ready. Now they have to just get into the oven. So here it is, my oven tray. Ramekins. Okay, so now very slowly with a nice sharp knife, I'm going to loosen the sides. Abracadabra kazam. Okay, just for a little browning. And now just to add our last finishing touch, a little bit of design. Few chili flakes. And here it is, our winter baked vegetable crumble ready. And now I think you really want a recap of this recipe.
To make roasted vegetable winter crumble. For making mixed vegetables, heat 2 teaspoon vegetable oil in a pan, add 1 teaspoon butter, 2 chopped onions, 8 to 10 chopped garlic pods, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 3 chopped carrots, 1 teaspoon vegetable taste maker, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 10 to 12 chopped mushrooms, 5 to 6 chopped baby corns, 50 gram yellow squash, 50 gram broccoli florrets, 8 to 10 chopped cherry tomatoes, 2 teaspoon parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoon fresh cream, oregano to taste, 4 to 5 basil leaves and half teaspoon cinnamon powder. Stir the vegetables and cook it on a low flame. Your vegetables are ready. For making crumble, in a Ziploc bag, crush 15 savoury biscuits and 75 gram panko crumbs. In a separate bowl, take the savoury biscuits and panko crumbs mixture and add 2 tablespoon butter. Mix it well. Now smear the ramekin cups with butter to form a layer. Add crumbled savoury biscuits and panko crumbs to form the base. Layer it with cooked vegetables and form the top layer with the savoury biscuits and panko crumbs mixture. Place the ramekin moulds in the baking tray and a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Demold the ramekin cup in a plate and blowtorch the top layer for browning. Garnish with coriander sprig and chili flakes. Your roasted vegetable winter crumble is ready.